In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign in to your American Express savings account. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, signing in is a straightforward process, and I'm here to make sure you do it without a hitch. First, let's head to the official American Express savings login page. It's crucial to ensure that you're on the official site to keep your information secure. A quick tip: bookmark the login page for easy access in the future and to avoid any phishing sites. Once you're on the login page, you'll see two fields waiting for your input. Enter your user ID in the first field and your password in the second. It's a good habit to double check both your user ID and password before proceeding. This simple step can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially if you have multiple accounts and passwords to juggle. Now simply click the login button to access your account. It's as easy as that. Depending on how your account is set up, you might have the option to sign in with or without your card details. This is particularly convenient if you've linked your card to your online account. Just follow the prompts if you choose that route. But what if you forget your login information? No worries. The login page provides a forgot user ID or password option. Click on that, and you'll be guided through a series of recovery steps to regain access to your account. It's important to follow these steps carefully and provide any required information to verify your identity. Now, let's take a quick moment to review some important security tips. Always use the official American Express website to sign in. This ensures your personal information stays protected. Also, it's wise to double-check your login details before signing in each time. Using a secure device and a reliable internet connection adds an extra layer of security, helping to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. And that's it. That's how you sign in to your American Express savings account. With these simple steps, you can access your account anytime, anywhere, with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you logged in smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Have a great day.